guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mouse cage that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Prevue Pet Products Mouse Cage. You can use this small animal home to house your little mouse, as it offers plenty of room for them and their accessories. The wires are tightly packed together and rounded at the edges to keep your mouse from getting hurt. There are 2 large entry points in this fancy mice cage when you want to get your mouse out of the cage. Independent lab tests have been conducted to ensure the safety of the cage. And as you can see from the reviews, there are many satisfied customers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Savic Extra Large Mouse Cage. Our premium pick is this extra large cage, which comes complete with a whole host of accessories that your mouse needs for healthy living, including water bottle, exercise wheel, and wire platform. While the cage is large, the bars have small spaces between them. At the bottom, the base is large enough to ensure that your pet has plenty of room, and the tank is nice and sturdy. Portability has also been considered, as you can see from the 2 large handles that allow you to move it around from place to place. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Pet Mice Cage. Next up, we have this pet habitat with a wire upper frame and PP plastic base. You can access your pet from either the top or front openings. Some of the features of the mice tank include a non-drip water bottle, access ramp, hay guard, and balcony. And if your mouse needs some privacy, there is a hideaway space underneath. Assembly is simple without the need for any tools. At number 2, we have the Ware Chewproof Small Animal High Rise. This mouse habitat cage is chew-proof in its design and ensures that your pet gets plenty of air, as it is open at all sides. There are safe mesh floors and ramps where your mouse can move around at their leisure. Durability is ensured thanks to the wires, which have been powder-coated. There are 3 levels to add even more interest for your furry friend. The rooftop door allows for easy access for them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Katy CritterTrail Small Animal Habitat. The next one on our list is a cool and stylish pet mouse habitat that has a number of positive features, including an exercise wheel and removable petting zone. There is even a lookout tower at the top. It also has the obvious things that your mouse needs for living, including a food bowl and water bottle. When you need to access your pet, you can do so via the front wire doors. This is an ideal product for many smaller animals, and there is even the option to expand it with different additions in the future. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon